I got yellow lines. And soon we're going to have bike lines. And eventually cross lines. Hey, on Fish. I hardly ever use Super Night, but all of a sudden I'm back on Super Night again. It gets me my shots. Well, finally, the DJI Osmo Nano came out, and they're comparing it to the Insta360 Go Ultra. I gotta see which one I really like. Well, if I take a snapshot and I look at my video in the snapshot, my field of view is never the same. I could sit there all day and try to figure things out and which camera I like best. And for some, it has to come down to one model only. But here we are, still waiting for my lights to get fixed. Get my shot on going. Just before sunrise. Let's go see if our Harley is down the road. Well, it'll be right about here, not that far down. And it's not here no more. So they must have taken it, moved it, and off they went. Well, it is a windy day. And we're heading down to the beach and the shore and see what it's about. The lights lit up. Go around the bend, see if there's any cruise ships coming in. One's coming in tomorrow. We got a freighter. He's going on out. He's got his lights lit up. The Insta360 Ace Pro or the Insta360 Go Ultra. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro or the DJI Osmo Nano or the DJI Osmo 360 and the DJI Osmo Nano or the Insta360 X5 to the Insta360 Go Ultra or the Insta360 Go Ultra to the DJI Osmo Nano. And you're gonna hear all these mixes and matches of camera compared to camera of people who got the cameras so they can share their thoughts, what they're going to show you, which is the better and make it look better their way for you to sell you on that model. You want to be sold? Sure, we can sell you the Brooklyn Bridge. It's not that hard to do. And yeah, you'll make what you want to look best, the greatest in the world. Doesn't matter which camera you get. Well, I just shot with, you got it without the mic on. The mic is off and it's only hooked up to this particular camera. It is off right now. Well, I'm not trying to make the internal sound better and showing you pure video and you got it super nice. I'm watching the plane come in with its headlights facing right towards me. I want to get closer. I want to get closer. The plane just banked, the lights just went off and they disappeared. And I'll tell you, I watch people's videos and I watch a channel that says, oh, I'm not going to do these comparisons and try to get you hooked on this camera. I'm going to show you how the camera actually works and you can really make a decision. I just don't make one video and that's the end. You hear the person. Well, I'm long term. The fish is long term. And what he gets, he uses. Unless he tells you different. And the thing is, I didn't love my Pocket 3. But we still got a Pocket 3. And we got a Pocket 2. And it's shared. And I'm thinking of an Insta360 Go Ultra. And right now, I'm watching videos of the DJI Osmo Nano. And decisions. We all want it all. We all want all these cameras. And yet, the two cameras I don't have yet. All the clothing we're gonna wear, my glasses in the way. Already got the better camera, and the one I'm waiting for is the Insta360 Ace Pro 3. So I can hear the DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro. Well, at least Insta360 comes into Costco. And I'll probably hold off and wait for Costco to get the Ace Pro 3. Yes, indeed. And the DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro. Oh, the tariffs on that bad boy now makes it a very expensive camera. Well, I hope that you got something out of this video about pure video and Super Night. Well, it's the season that I'm using it. Yes, indeed. And there'll be times where you'll see daytime shots. Can you use pure video and Super Night and high noon 24/7? You'll just get a different look. Nobody stops you. You got the camera. Use what you got and have the fun with what you got. Well, I gotta go through a river, a flood that'll never get fixed. Well, on that note, I'm Fish. Been a pleasure talking, been a pleasure chatting. It's time for us to go pack on up and get on out. Gotta go meet up with Joe. And I gotta go take care of beeswax. Yes, indeed. Have a great one. See you on the next one.